since I've been in the school. There's one thing I hear every day. You need to concentrate. It's not that easy. But it's not true. What if I say you're hitting a few physics rules in your daily basis?
But how?
It only seems complicated because everyone says you have only that information. Get ready for a different experience with a little fun. Suppose there is a friend bullying you out. And in a heartbeat, you got angry. And threw a punch on his face and smashed him up. When you jumped and land onto him, what would be the force generated? Yes, that's the first formula, force. F defines force equals m defines mass multiplies by a equal to acceleration. Now, because the mass and the acceleration 5 meter per second kilograms and the acceleration, now you multiply 10 kilograms into 5 meter per second. That means the force is right, 50 kilogram. 50 kilogram force will be applied. Easy, right? Here's the second formula. You said that there are two formulas. Yeah, there is. You know about the mass, acceleration, even the force. What about the momentum? The last one, but not the least, I'll give you a clue. It's the most famous formula of physics, which Albert Einstein formulated and defines mass-energy equivalence. Means that matter and energy are interchangeable. And yes, this formula proves. So if you want, so comment.